Hello everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am Mehta ma'am. So children, let's begin our session with a number rhyme. Sing with me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Children, tell me how many numbers I have used in this rhyme? Yes, numbers from 1 to 10. So now we will revise number names from 1 to 10 and then we will learn a new number name, that is number name 11.
Number names 1 to 10. 1 ice cream cone. So the number name of 1 is ONE 1. 2 ice cream cones. TWO 2. 3 ice cream cones. THREE 3. 4 ice cream cones. FOUR 4. 5 ice cream cones. FIVE 5. 6 ice cream cones. SIX 6. 7 ice cream cones. SEVEN 7. 8 ice cream cones. EIGHT 8. 9 ice cream cones. NINE 9. 10 ice cream cones. TEN 10. Now we will learn number name of 11. 11 balls. ELEVEN 11. 11 toy cars. ELEVEN 11. 11 teddy bears. ELEVEN 11. 11 ice cream cones. ELEVEN 11. Children, you have to write number name 11 on page number 67 in your maths classwork book. But I will show you the formation on a paper. Children, first trace on number 11. 1, 1, 11. Now trace on number name 11. ELEVEN 11. Now children, come to the next line. Write with me. ELEVEN 11. Again come to the next line. Write down E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Again, say with me. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Now come to the next line again. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 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 Same way, children, you have to complete this side also.
Children, you have to complete page number 32, number name 11, given in your maths homework book. We will meet tomorrow with the same topic. Till then, bye.